Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. This vlog is a spontaneous vlog because I had no plans of making this vlog. Everything happened spontaneously. Today I am very happy. My happiness has no limits. It has crossed all the boundaries. Guess why? Because today finally I am going to pick some corns from our kitchen garden. Since many days I was craving to have it, and today finally I'm going to have it, and I'm very happy. I can't even explain my happiness because I'm crazy about corns. I just love them. So that's the reason why I'm overwhelmed today. Every year my granny brings corns for us, but this year I haven't tasted any corns. So this is the first time of this year. So अब चाहिँ म बारीमा जान्छु अन्त मकै टिप्छु अन्त पोल्छु अन्त खान्छु. So this is our bari and now I'm going to pick some corns from here. I picked these 5 corns from our bari. So I'm taking these corns to roast. So I'm roasting these corns. So I finished roasting these corns and now it's ready. So now I'm going to eat this. यो चाहिँ हाम्रो अनमोल भाइ हो, मेरो भाइ. यो चाहिँ हो मेरो बेदु बहिनी. उलाई चाहिँ दाँतले खानु मन पर्दैन अन्त उले चाहिँ यसरी छोडाएर खान्छ एक एकवटा. सो मैले चाहिँ मकै खाइसके एन्ड फाइनली आई एम सेटिस्फाइड. सो म तपाईहरुलाई एउटा चीज देखाउँछु ल. यो चाहिँ हो मेरो बुक्सहरु. दिस आर माई बुक्स. यहाँ चाहिँ मेरो लिटरेचरको आदि बुक्स छ. उयसको बीए र मास्टर्सको अन्त हिस्ट्रीहरुको पनि छ. यो चाहिँ हो सब्बो रानी, मेरो पहिलाको साथी. बिग्रेछ फोटो पनि. यहाँ तल पनि छ. यहाँ चाहिँ बाबाको बुक्स होला. यो चाहिँ मेरो. यो चाहिँ बाजेको बुक. So that was all about today and please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So आजको लागि यति नै. So bye bye.